Smile for the camera. Cheese. Cheese. We're not playing around out here, YouTube. We are not playing around. Okay. This thing is so heavy. Yeah. Easy day, y'all. Here's the other one I'm gonna bring over here. Load it up. Get the hand warmers going because it's freezing. To the scrapyard, Batman. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Real quick, there's a little bit of metal here as well. And we got some e-waste back here for this cleanup. A couple CPUs and some printers. I'll get more footage later. I got a lot of work to do. But yeah, I'm gonna take the backs and seats off of these chairs, keep the frames. Everything must go, YouTube. Sheesh, do you see this crazy load on here, guys? This is a bunch of old backdrops. These are aluminum again. I had some of these the other day. Taking this to the landfill, throwing the trash out, keeping the metal. So the new yard I've been going to does not take all the boards and stuff, and the RAM and everything, the hard drives. They only take the full CPU, and I was like, that's crazy. And oh, and I have like 10 monitors. My other yard the fire happened, Al Metals, so I can't go there. I don't know what we're gonna do. It's freezing. Let's go to the landfill right now, and I'm supposed to go back to that same job, but there's a lot of e-waste on here. I don't know what I'm gonna do when I get to the scrapyard. Let's get it. It's cold outside. We journey deep into the frozen tundra in search of a place to throw our trash out. Navigating through herds and herds of ravaging seagull packs. Alright guys, I'm gonna go empty this and keep all the computer e-waste and stuff. Let's get it. YouTube. I threw everything out. I kept the computers. There's some printers. There's like 8 to 10 monitors back there. A lot of smaller ones. It's all older stuff. Right now I'm going to the scrapyard. I have a stroller in there. Few larger items, but basically I'm keeping all the monitors. I might just go ahead and get rid of all the CPUs. It's probably around 12 of them. I would like to really break them down and get all the hard drives and the RAM and everything, but I can't take them to my other yard. I don't want to list a bunch of heavy hard drives on eBay. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I might just go scrap everything right now, but I'll be at the yard in 1 minute. It's not going to be a heavy load, but I'm going to empty my truck. And I'm supposed to go back to that picture place. So, we'll see. Oh, I have more of them large poles that were aluminum from the last time, too. Very low amount of weight. Probably like 6,500. Maybe a little bit more. Whoa, 71. Every time I estimate, I'm wrong. Let's go throw this out, guys. Yes, they take whole computers. No, they do not take boards and RAM and everything. I got maybe like 15 of these, and the Delcon as well. It's going to take me a minute to go through all this, and I got the cords, so that's going to take a while. Hardware goes over there. I saved a whole bunch of eye loop bolts and different kind of hardware out of there, but I don't need a bucket full of hardware. I already got a lot. So yeah, this will take me a minute, but I'll go through, separate as much as possible. I got a decent amount of these aluminum as well. That's aluminum. These printers, I don't know what to do with these. I can go ask the guy. These are aluminum. The other dude wanted that truck the other day, but I don't see him right now. He might be working up. This is going to take a minute. Even the Christmas tree's metal. Okay, this thing is so heavy. I might find that dude and ask him, does he want that prop truck? CPUs and aluminum basically for non-ferrous. Got a feeling them printers are just going in the steel pile. These guys here are heavy. Shoot. Hopefully you guys can see this. Aluminum. Alright, so I separated everything. I'm gonna go do the non-ferrous and see what it pays, and then probably be going right back to the mall. Let's get it, YouTube. What'd I say? 7,100, 65.40, 60. Sheesh, we must have had decent amount. What, 540 pounds to the non-ferrous. Ferrous. Let's get it. Arr. YouTube, really fast. I was surprised by that one. It was like no steel weight. 7,120 to 65.40 was 580 pounds. Was practically nothing. Computers, a total of 384 pounds, was 96. Iron extrusion, 23. All the wire, 1950. Iron extrusion, that was the aluminum pipes and everything, for a grand total 50, 100, 50, 175. 175. Not bad, not bad. And I am in a super hurry right now to get back to this mall to finish this clean out. I got another roughly half a load to go. Everything must go, YouTube. We are grinding. Thank you for watching. On to the next one. YouTube. I didn't record almost anything at the mall. I got about a half a load. There's some more aluminum and cast iron chair frames and like a file cabinet and a bunch of trash. I'm back at the landfill. We're throwing this out. My buddy Carl's got 3 ACs waiting for me, and they've been sitting there like an hour and 45 minutes. We're in a monster hurry. I'm not even worried about this stuff. I'm trying to get them AC air conditioners, HVAC units. Let's get it. As soon as we're done here, we're flying there. We'll be there as soon as possible. Oh, and of course there's a monster line, like 4 miles long, to take an extra 15 minutes or so. Maybe a couple of them will get out of here by the time I'm done. Excuse me, gentlemen. Sheesh. There's a nut house in here today. It is Friday. We want these AC units, guys. Real quick, somebody threw a bunch of play balls all over the ground. I'm gonna throw all this crap out and keep all the metal. We can't scrap a safe. This is plastic inside. And it looks like somebody drilled it open. A couple tables and crap. We're emptying this and flying out of here, guys. See you later, birds. Okie dokie, we are over Wampler Village, Middle River, Maryland. There's 2 of them on this court. I gotta find them. He didn't give me the address, he just gave me the street name, so I'm looking for them both. I don't see any yet. We'll find them. They gotta be here. They gotta be here. I didn't see them because I was at the wrong court. It's 3 all right here, he said. 13, 71, and 73. So I'm going to 71 and 73 first. 13 should be right here. Should be. Come on, baby. Where are you at? Where are you at? Where are you at? Oh, no. I don't see one right there. That's not good. There's somebody could have snatched them. Shoot. There's one. Yeah, he's right there dropping one off. I'm gonna go grab that. And there's the other one. Cool. Really quick, YouTube. Got one up in there. This one's connected. I'm gonna have to take it out because it's so heavy. And then here's the other one I'm gonna bring over here. Load it up. Get the hand warmers going because it's freezing. But yeah, we want these. I was gonna try to go to my storage unit and break these down, but it's late. It's like 2:30 or something, and you gotta be to the yard by 4:30, and I don't think I can make it. I mean, I'm still gonna try, but I doubt it. I'm gonna force it up in this little hole and then put that other part on top. But yeah, all this aluminum and stuff, it's all gonna add up. Sheesh. The dudes, the HVAC guys that were putting these in, they're pretty cool. I talked to them a few times when I picked them up, and they said they watch my channel, which is real awesome, gentlemen, and I appreciate you all, fellas. I still got a couple of them monitors in here that I don't want in here. All right, I'll get more footage in a little bit, guys. Okie dokie, guys, I got all 3 of them on here. I had to take one of the whole cases apart with a 1/4 inch bit, and it took me like 15 minutes. It's 3:30, so there's no way I would be able to break these down and then go to the scrapyard by 4:30. Today's Friday, and the yard's open on Saturday until 12:30, so I guess I can go to my unit right now, break them down, and then tomorrow I have to go to the yard. I also got to go do an estimate down Eastern Avenue later today. Score. Thank you, Carl. I'm gonna text him right now. Yay, yay, yay. Every AC must go, YouTube. Oh, I didn't show you guys. I got a whole bunch of flat screens and monitors in my back seat. Because when I went back to the mall, I didn't want to leave them in the bed and then still charger or whatever, so I took them out. But yeah, I couldn't scrap them, and I just refused to throw them in the landfill. I'd rather just hold them until whatever. Maybe Al Metals will open up in a couple months. Prayers for Al Metals. They still don't have power, and I believe it's been about a week. So that's crazy. And I seen video off of Facebook, and it looks bad, like real bad. And a woman at the other yard told me they heard the fire started back up a little bit last night, which sucks. I'm sorry to hear that, guys down there. I like everybody down there, really. Everybody's cool down at Metals. All right, we're going to the storage unit. Smile for the camera. Cheese, cheese. We're not playing around out here, YouTube. We are not playing around. We got some copper going, some macaronis, like one little piece of brass. Breaking these guys down. Got the rads going. There's a lot of screws already. Sheesh, this was empty when I started. It's a lot, and I only did one and a half. Oh, the frames. I took all the frames apart. That's where the other screws came from. All 3 frames are in there right now. I'm gonna keep going. It's getting dark and cold. I might have to stop soon, but I almost broke one down. Let's get it. Let's get it. Everything must go. I still got to do an estimate by East Point Mall in like a half hour for vines, cutting vines down. Let's get it.
We can discover new aspects of ourselves and new possibilities for growth and transformation.
He's saying everything must go. We're going to the storage unit to break the rest of this ACs down, and we got to hurry because it's 11 and they close at 12:30. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it.
So too do we.
Okie dokie, we're in a big hurry as always. Huge hurry. This is almost finished. I pulled all the screws out of here yesterday. All the 1/4 inch. There was a lot. Each one has so many, it's ridiculous. I gotta hurry up, bust this down. We have some copper, guys, and then we're gonna fly to the yard. There's 2 squirrel cages and motors. If I have time, I'll real quick do that. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Stuff's just thrown in there all crazy. We don't have time to play around. Radiator, radiator. Come on, Mr. Radiator. Make sure there's no steel screws in the top or the bottom, because when you're cutting this, it'll dull your blade immediately. Sheesh. Woo! Another one, another one, another one. I'll sort them out as I'm throwing stuff out of the truck at the yard. Moving right along. Copper, copper, copper. Once you pop these side screws out, you can loosen this a little bit and then cut this chunk off. What I'm saying. Like that. 3 AC should be a decent payout. we'll have probably over $100. I'll get more footage in a little bit. Come on, baby, work with me a little bit. Shoot. Hopefully you can see that, guys. Get the motors, get the motors, get the motors. Okay, I got everything thrown in here. I only got, whoa, we didn't want to do that. It says arrival at 12:09. They close by, you got to be there by 12:30, so I got 20 minutes. Maybe real quick I can run and check this neighborhood, which is probably a horrible idea. I should just go. I'm gonna real quick check and see if there's any like chairs or, you know, stoves, something I can occupy my truck bed with. Let's get it real fast. I see a few shopping carts and stuff, not too much else. There's a satellite dish. I'm gonna throw that in real quick. See, who would have known that the yard was getting this dish 20 minutes ago? Who would have known? Yeah! Easy day, y'all. I'm not cutting that off because we're in a hurry. Cheap Uggs, fake Uggs. We don't want the fake Uggs. We'll give them a rusty broom, I guess.
Cable.
Nothing else really good. We're in a hurry too. Alright, let's go. Satellite dish. Check. There's a bunch of crap next to that.
In a quarter mile,
I'm so pressed for time right now.
proceed to the route.
We'll see if they got anything else over there really fast, and then we're heading out. Yeah, we're going. Let's go. Let's go. To the scrapyard, Batman. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. YouTube. We are in Joppa town. We're almost there, like 3 minutes or less. My girl just texted me that I put the mozzarella cheese in the cabinet next to the dog bones. My dog was harassing me and I give him mozzarella cheese. I must have put the bones and the cheese back, but it was like 1 hour ago, so it ain't bad. Or maybe an hour and a half, but she said it's still cold. My dog was driving me crazy, baby, that's all. All right, yard's right here on the left. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Approaching the scale. It's not gonna be a lot of weight, but the non-ferrous is gonna make up for it, for sure. All the radiators. And I got them aluminum poles, that's right. 7,200. Let's go throw this out, guys. Okie dokie, okie dokie. I took all the straps off. Aluminum. We're keeping the hand truck. Woo! Keeping all these babies. These guys. Good morning, sir. All these babies. Where the money's at. Yes, sir. All these babies are going to pay off great. Great. We gotta try to be quick because they're almost closed. That means we're being rushed. We're being rushed. Shoot, I actually got here at like a couple minutes early today, like 12:15. Let's hurry up and get rid of this. Ouch. Avalanche. All right, guys, I'll get more footage when I'm done here. All right, guys, we got all that thrown out. They're trying to rush me because it's like 12:28, meaning they want to leave. I understand, guys, it's Saturday. I get it. Junking grind's almost finished. What did I say, 7,200, I believe? 6,400, so about 800 pounds. Let's go do the non-ferrous and get out of here and get paid real quick. YouTube. 7,200 to 6,400, 800 pounds even of steel. Not bad. The non-ferrous was great, actually. Look at that long list. Okay, iron extrusions 5220. The radiators 122.10. Copper number 2, that bucket 36.85. Sealed units 24. 15.75 in motors. $12 for the computers. 48 cents for a little bit of cast aluminum. For a grand total. Yeah. 100, 200, 300, 10, 11, 12. Not bad, not bad, not bad. I got all that after my job yesterday, so I didn't even know I was getting this until like later in the day yesterday. Awesomeness. Thank you guys for watching. Every single thing must go, YouTube. Hey, it's 2025. I got 2,400 subscribers. Please copy and paste a video link or two on Facebook. Share a screenshot on Instagram, something. Tell your whole in-laws about this channel. We're growing. We got to get past 5,000 ASAP, and then we need 10K, and it's going to take a little bit. We're going to get there. Let's get it, guys. Grinding. Oh, these old magnets have been on here so long that they're like brittle. When you try to take them off, they're breaking. I got one back up at my house, and I'm gonna have to order new. If you look, that's all. You can't just peel it off easily. Maybe you can in the summer. Putting the old tailgate on there and bumper. And then I got a heat gun to pull all these decals and such. Yeah, baby. The heat will get it all. Ladies and gents, my brother helped me put my tailgate and bumper on the green truck. The lift gate still is getting power. The switch has power, and it's getting power all the way to the little solenoid that runs the hydraulics. Either the motor's froze up and seized, or the solenoid needs replaced, or it's too cold, but the lift gate is not raising up. We're gonna have to keep messing with it. I'm gonna get my uncle to look at it. If I really have to, I'm gonna take it somewhere to get it worked on. But it makes me insane because it was working fine till I got in an accident, or till a deer decided to jump in front of us on Thanksgiving evening. We'll get it working somehow. On to the next one. We're unwolfing some of the wolf. Get ready for work this week. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's a beautiful day, YouTube. I did a junk removal job Saturday at the end of the day. There's a grill up top. There's a washer and dryer buried under all that. A couple lamps. This thing's made out of metal to frame anyways. I'm going to the landfill. We're going to keep all the metal and throw out all the nasty chairs and trash and all. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. It's a little bit warmer this week, 40s I think, high of 40s. So it's like 30 in the morning instead of 16. Ladies and gentlemen, gentlemen. So, I just went to the landfill and I recorded a live video taking everything to the landfill and throwing it out. Before I went there, I didn't realize it was going to be super difficult to record with one hand because it's a phone to do the lives and untie all the straps and everything. Plus I had all this weight leaning on the straps like a bed mattress and all this like trash bags. So it was more difficult than I expected. I just wanted to go live random. Hope you guys don't dislike it when I make my lives, because you gotta understand I'm working, so it ain't easy for me. I don't have a phone mount. Maybe I need some kind of forehead mount for my phone. Strap an iPhone to my head. Like, ladies and gentlemen. So yeah, left over from that dump run, there's a washer, a dryer, a grill, a couple lamps, a little bit of other metal ironing board. I got maybe a third of a load on here, and my buddy Max just said he's got a job for me around 1:30 in Dundalk, Maryland. So I have about 2 hours to go find some more scrap metal, fill this truck up, and then fly to the landfill. I don't know how much weight we're gonna get, but we'll make something happen. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. And I also gotta go to my storage unit and drop off a trash can. So we gotta move. Really quick, YouTube, I just messaged a maintenance guy that runs these apartments over here that I go to every once in a while, and asked him random, does he have appliances? And he said he does have a few, and I said I'll be there in like 10 minutes. So real quick, I came in here just to check, and I'm gonna run over there and get whatever they got. And I already got like a third of a load, so we might be doing good quick. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. We got a little bit of metal in here. There's a table or something with a wrought iron frame and a bed frame. Oh, there's some old rotors too. We're gonna load all this up, guys. Cool. Everything must go. My battery's low. I'm gonna charge it and load this up. Hopefully this guy don't have too many appliances, because I won't have room. YouTube, these maintenance dudes at this little apartment's not even where my buddy said come. Just seen me, and I had talked to him in the past, and he's got a couple appliances for me. Right now we're gonna fill my truck up, probably go to the yard and come right back. Sheesh. Okie dokie, guys, we got a decent amount in here. This ain't even what I was supposed to go get. This is a whole nother one, and he's got all these like horizontal weird shaped AC units around that corner. So I told him I'm gonna go to the yard and come back. I gotta go over there and get whatever he has first, and then come back. About 1 hour, we're coming right back. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. OMG, we're finding all this crap out of nowhere. Okay, guys, this is basically a steel run. There's not much at all non-ferrous. A little bit of wires, very little bit of aluminum, might just do a steel run real quick. It's not a lot of weight, maybe 800 pounds or less. Let's go throw this off. Busy over there, guys. Sorry I got all my crap on my dash. $7,000 even. Let's go throw this out. The claw. Yeah. All right, Mr. Fridge, it's time to go, buddy. All right, fridge number 2. Whoa, that grill is... I don't know how we're gonna do this, guys.
Careful.
I don't want this to fall. Yeah, I'm keeping that green trash can right there because I lost my other one here. Little bit of wire. There's some wire up there too. Come on, girl. See you later, buddy. Sheesh. This is aluminum. Everything's all tangled in here. Nice and simple. Yeah, these are stainless. I remember that from that other grill. Come on, stove. You gotta go, buddy. Okay guys, I'm gonna get more footage in a little bit. We're almost done. Okay, I threw that out. Hey, I might just go do a little bit of non-ferrous to get, there's some wires and aluminum in there and like 2 sealed units. Really just to empty the truck, not because it's worth more than 10 bucks. Maybe. Gotta put a bungee back there. There's the ops guys. The big boys, they make all the good money. Junk and Grind's gonna be doing that very soon, don't worry. The Isuzu dump body, that's a beautiful vehicle right there, let me tell you. If anybody wants to donate a brand new Isuzu dump body like that, you can email me at junkandgrind@gmail.com. 56,000 even, so 1,000 pounds of steel weight. It's not much. Let's get paid and head out. YouTube, really fast. Running late, as always, like pretty late, because I got a whole nother load to go get right now and then take to the scrapyard. Then they got these air conditions I'm gonna take to my storage unit. Then I gotta be in Dundalk in like an hour and a half. It's gonna take like 3 hours. 7,000 to 6,000, even 1,000 pounds. We'll take it. We're not upset at all. Sealed units, $8, $3.75 worth of wire. Iron extrusion, $3.15 for a grand total. 20. $40, $60, $70, $82. Not bad. That came out of nowhere, left over from the junk removal, and then what I just got. We're gonna go try to get another 100 and some if possible. Let's get it, guys. Let's get it. Let's get it.